But I am honest with you because I want you to understand what does it take to win. You got to get into the fucking ring. You got to get knocked the fuck out. You got to get a fucking black eye. People are going to call you stupid. People are going to call all kinds of shit to you, right? But if you want to fucking win, you got to get in the fucking ring. And there's no shit about it. And you can't never quit, dude. You got to go all in. And that's the only thing I know. And that's what I'm trying to help you guys understand, that if you want to be your fucking dreams, you want to be a fucking writer, you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to start your own fucking company, you want to be a real estate investor, you got to go all in. You got to be willing to take the fucking hits. You got to be willing to get knocked the fuck out. You got to be willing to be fucking homeless. And if you're not willing to do that kind of stuff, guys, you better stick with your fucking job, man. You better stick with your job, because the only other way to win without going all in is to get into debt. And I don't believe in that, right? I don't believe in borrowing money to start my success. I don't believe in borrowing money to start a company, right? Because everything that the God give me is in my fucking mind. Everything around us was created through our mind. Everything. Your phone, your laptop, your chair, your desk, the internet, Bitcoins, was someone's imagination. And they turn into reality. So I know that if I go out there and I get knocked the fuck out, I lose every fucking thing I have, I know I'm going to come and win again, because I have the right ingredient. I have the right pedigree to win, because of my mindset of going all in, for my mindset of never fucking quitting. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys today, is that I'm not smart. I take a lot of fucking risk, but I'm all in. And if I don't do something, I'm not going to do it. But if I do it, I go all in. I'm only here to win. And so the point of the story, guys, is that I'm down $7,000. Some of you guys be like, yep, Mike is a fool. Well, and I agree with you. Some of you guys would say, Mike is crazy. And I agree with you. Some of you guys like, I never want to do what Mike does. And I pray for you that you don't, because it's risky. You can get knocked the fuck out, right? But some of you guys are burning up with passion to be your dreams. And that's why I do this for. I want to show you what it takes to be your dreams. I want to show you what it is to get knocked the fuck out. I want to show you what it is to lose $7,000 and get knocked the fuck out and get the fuck up and do it again 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 and do it again. All right, guys, to summarize it up, I'm one crazy motherfucker that follow my heart and follow my dreams. And that's what it means to be an entrepreneur. And this is the reason why I never had a job before. Never. I never had a yes sir, no sir to any motherfucker. I never had a resume. I never had to sit in fucking traffic. I never had to go to the cubicle, because I risk it all. And I'm trying to let you guys know the mindset of a true entrepreneur in America and the struggles that we go through to be our dreams. It wasn't just handed to me. I didn't just go borrow from a bank. I didn't get it from my fucking daddy, right? My daddy sold ice cream in the shittiest part of the town for us to be able to go to high school, right? I didn't get it from my fucking daddy. I didn't get it from the stupid fucking bankers. I hate the fucking bankers. They're enslaving everyone. They're enslaving you, your cousin, your baba, everyone. Student debt, car debt, all this bullshit. The dojo, Mr. No Fluff, I'm going to change your life. But it ain't pretty, dude. It's not a pretty sales pitch. It's a bloody nose type of shit, man. It's a black eye type of shit if you want to be your dreams. If you like this videos and you took some value, please press like. Leave me your comments. What do you think about going all in? It's pretty crazy. What are your thoughts? Hustle and bustle. Don't take no for answer, guys.